About 2 or 3 months ago, I picked up a pair of... Oh yeah, we'll eat in a bit. I picked up a pair of Merrell shoes from Dick's Sporting Goods. And they are probably one of the nicest boots or boots/shoes that I've ever had. I just love them to death. They're extremely, extremely comfortable. And, that's my son. Oh, just wait, I'm doing a review here. And they, I wear them almost every day, both with jeans and in the summer I guess I could wear them with shorts. And actually I wear them with khakis too, because my work is fairly liberal. But one of the things that, I love everything about the shoe, but one of the problems I've had is the backs here on both shoes, I don't know if I can get a good view, have worn out. And so if you probably can't see this very well, but this is down to the plastic of the back of the shoe. And what's weird is that they started wearing out pretty quick. So I don't know if this is like a defaulty part of the shoe or not, but the rest of the shoe is holding up very well. If you can see that. But it's just this back. And I will take a little bit of fault in that I do have a tendency to slide these on sometimes without undoing the laces. But I do that with other shoes too, and they haven't worn out as fast as these. So I think I'm probably going to get another pair of Merrells. And I think this might be the model of the Vibram. But if maybe you could take a look and see if this is a defaulty back or and maybe there's some improvements that can be made back here so that the shoe will last a little longer. Because the rest of the shoe is in perfect shape. There's nothing really wrong with it. It's just that back I'm probably going to end up having to buy another pair just because this plastic kind of bothers my heel. So anyway, good boot. But this back heel seems to wear out a lot faster than any other shoe I've ever had. So hopefully that's some feedback that maybe it can be fixed in the future.